2016 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, fog lights, rear window defroster, compass, CD player, electronic stability control, trip computer, tachometer, brake assist, overhead console, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.